Hello friends, and welcome to the Audacity Bootcamp. Hey, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about lighting. Lighting has always been an issue for me because I'm in such a small room, but I found a good solution, so let's talk about it. Hey, Mike Adams here with the Audacity Bootcamp. You know, I'm in a small room here. I'm in a room that's 10 feet by 11 feet, and so it's pretty cramped. There's other stuff in here. You can see the shelf behind me. There's stuff off camera that you can't see as well. And it's a crowded little room. It's my little space in the house, but it's crowded in here. And when I started doing video lectures originally, I was using those softbox lighting, the big black things that are on stands, that have the fluorescent lights in them. And to be honest with you, it was a little bit overwhelming, not to mention the fact that I didn't have a lot of room to keep doing that. And so I had to make a change. So I started researching, and I came across some LED lights that are dimmable that also have color filters with them. And these meet my needs perfectly in this small space. So let me show you what I've got. What I found was the Neewer ZC-10S Lighting Kit. These come packaged with 2 lights per box, and I needed 3 lights, so I bought 2 boxes. These units are very small. They measure 5.5 inches by 3 3/4 inches. And when you open the box, you can see that there are tripod stands that come with them that adjust in height anywhere from 8.8 inches up to 45.5 inches. And so you can put them on the floor, you can put them on a table, you can put them on a TV tray, you can put them on whatever you've got around you and adjust the height of them to get the lighting effect that you want. Another feature that I really like about these lights is that they are adjustable. You can go anywhere from 10% to 100% in the brightness of the lights, and so you can adjust it up or down according to the environment that you're in. Also included in the kit is 3 color filters. You get blue, red, and yellow filters to adjust the lighting even further in whatever environment you find yourself in. One thing that I should mention is that these lights connect via USB, and so what you're going to need is some kind of a USB wall charger or a USB wall adapter to run these lights. If you're running it off of a desktop, it'll work there, but if you get 3 or 4 of them hooked up onto your laptop or your desktop, it might not be the best configuration. What I did is I purchased, along with these, 4 USB wall adapters, and those are what I'm using. I'll put the links to those wall adapters down in the description below, as well as a link to these lights so that you can see them. I'll also put a link to the softbox lighting that I have been using all this time too, because those are a great product. And that kit is amazing. It's got a green background, white background, and I believe a blue background if I'm remembering correctly. And so I'll put the link to that kit down there as well, because I still have that kit and I plan on using it in bigger environments, larger environments that I'm in. But for this tiny room, these Neewer LED lights work perfect for me. It saves me room. I have room to move, and it's just a more comfortable experience recording my videos this way. So I just wanted to make you aware of what I found, and if you like what's going on here at the Audacity Bootcamp, please take a moment to subscribe, and I teach Audacity Bootcamp Beginner to Advanced at udemy.com. So check out those sites if you like, and let me know what you think. Hey, until next time, bye.